All right, this is our potatoes. It's been there 90 days. We looked at the window. There's a window and we did not see any potatoes. So, there's a window here. Didn't see any trace of potatoes. And I want to plant more things and I feel like it's wasting my space, put it that way. I don't know what I'm waiting for. I know that's bad, but hey, you know what? YOLO. So this is pretty much it. Starting to die off, but who knows? And if we find potatoes in there, we'll just eat it soon. I guess we'll do butter and salt and pepper for potatoes. All right, let's see what's here. Hang on. Okay, so we're gonna carry the grow bag. Oh, it's heavy. There's it has to be potatoes in there. And then we're gonna put it in our container here that has mushroom compost. As you can see, like these parts were dead. So I almost feel like this might have something. I'll pull this out first. Hang on. See what I find. Nothing, but I bet you there's some on there. Let's see. There is big vines. Oh, there's a baby one. And one baby one. I'll shake it off inside. Oh, here we go. A new potato. Nothing on that one. Nope. Okay, hold on. Where am I putting this? Right there. Okay. You got it? What's that? Roly-polies? Nope, there's a few. There's a few. Right here. Right here. Right here. We have a container. Hold on. All right, there is a few. I'm a believer now. I don't know how long it's been, but we are going to. There was some growing here. This was just a 10-gallon container, guys. So there were gonna be a bunch more baby ones. Here's one. That's probably from the mother. This just got watered today too. I'm just impatient. I really want to plant other things. And I feel like this is just taking forever. So, you know, it is what it is. Next time, I will get a bigger container. But definitely, I'm gonna have my. Is there more? There's a bunch of babies. Okay, oh, fairly big. A lot of roots. Not much potatoes. But again, 10-gallon grow bag. I didn't know what to expect. This was the very first one I planted because this was like kitchen scraps. Hang on, I think that's it. So we have that many potatoes from a 10 gallon grow bag.